Hey guys, it's Skylar. So, our show's recording?
Yeah.
Okay. Today we're going to be microwave. Well, instead of usually blending stuff, we're going to be microwaving a carrot. How long do you think we should put it in there for?
30 minutes.
30 minutes. No, my camera's not going to record that long.
Yeah, well.
Yeah, but it's like too. Yeah, but dude, it's running long, baby. Hold the camera up here. Oh, wait.
I zoomed in. Move back.
Okay. Okay, now.
Dang, look how far it zoomed in. Oh, wow, it zoomed in fast.
Okay. I'm going to be standing right by the microwave examining. Oh, there's smoke coming. Oh, it's starting to make a weird sound. Ooh, there's a lot of smoke. Oh, that's a lot of smoke. Oh, that's a lot of smoke. Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh, wow. You smell that?
Yeah, man.
Wow. Oh. Yeah, it smells getting real powerful. Woo. Anything? Woo. Oh, it smells like the cabbage video, which we didn't post. It smells like burnt vegetable soup. It actually smells like burnt popcorn.
Ooh, it's starting to smoke.
I know it was smoking earlier.
Imagine this thing can go up to 45 minutes, so we should record it for 30 minutes. Smoke.
It's not going to catch fire, I don't think.
No, it smells good, kind of.
Yeah, it kind of does smell like burnt popcorn. Oh gosh, it's real starting to get so smoky.
Oh, look, it's coming out of the microwave. Dude, what the fuck was that?
Yeah, don't microwave a carrot.
Alright.
That was awesome.
Did you see what happened, guys?
Yeah, we just...
There's the outcome from when you do that. Don't ever do this. Don't do this at home.
That was scary. Oh my gosh.
Alright.
Alright, see you guys. Bye.